Here is a Gary Safeco floor safe head. I bought this off of eBay, used, no known combination provided. As you can see, the spinning of the wheel or the dial does not retract the bolts; they are extended. So if this were locked in the floor, we couldn't pull it out, couldn't access it. It's got 3 bolts. So I took the back off of it and decoded the working combination, and I'll show you guys. Many of you already know the procedure, don't care to be re-educated, that's fine. Just doing my thing. 27, then past the second number 77 twice, land on it the third time, so 77 once, twice, and then land on it the third time, and then 0, you pass it once, land on it the second time, and then you just spin the dial clockwise to open it. See? Dials are the bolts are retracted now, flush with the door, so that it may be retrieved from the safe body, and access is granted, basically. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so there that is. That's really an awesome safe, and I really dig it. It's pretty heavy and it's very pretty. I'm glad I bought it. Let's go ahead and show you guys what the inside of it looks like whenever you move the bolts. It's pretty neat. I will not discuss the decoding method while it's out of the house or the safe body. Oh yeah, and this is also or was at one point, a UL listed tool resistant safe door. Where is it at? Here it is. TL15. TL is tool. Tool rating. Pretty good. Trying to get my angle right. Sorry about this. Okay, so here's the internals. Those are the wheels. Those have to line up with the fence. My nomenclature is not right. I understand how it works. It's just there's a lot to learn. But as you can see, turning it, that wheel, that spiral design, extends them out. And it also retracts them. It's pretty cool. And, you know, I'm turning the dial on the underside, obviously. And then whenever it's locked, the combination is mixed up again, and the fence can no longer drop into the gates. Pretty cool. So now I've got to dial the combination back in, and reassemble it. But that's it. It's a pretty cool safe door or floor safe head, and hope you enjoyed the little video. As I said, I'm learning a new specialty, and it's a lot of fun.